Hi, I'm Alice. I'm from House of Travel and we're a UK-based travel agency specialising in Walt Disney World Resort and Universal Orlando holidays. And I'm here to answer the question, can you pre-book Disney World rides? Short answer is yes, you can. In years gone by, Disneyland in California and Walt Disney World Resort in Orlando used to operate a system called FastPass Plus, where you could pre-book up to 3 rides throughout the day for free if you were visiting Disney World or Disneyland California. Unfortunately, this no longer exists, and we have seen other iterations such as Genie and Genie Plus, and now Disney uses a system called multiple lightning lane passes and single lightning lane passes, where you can pre-book up to 3 rides before you arrive. At the moment, you are unable to book those rides unless you're in the United States. That includes you're not able to book them if you're in Canada, Europe, the UK. You have to be in the United States of America. So for us Brits travelling over there, you will need to book all of your lightning lanes at the beginning of your holiday. As I say, you can pre-book 3 rides when you go to pay for the lightning lane, and the prices vary between $15 and $30 per day per person. It is a tiered system, so you will have access to one of the premium rides such as Tron or Tiana's Bio Adventure, Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, the more popular rides essentially. You will be able to book one of those, and then you can pick 2 regular rides such as Spaceship Earth or Space Mountain. And then once you have used your first ride, as with FastPass Plus, you can then book another one. You have to pick a park, so you have to start off in, say, Magic Kingdom, but once you have used one of your rides, you can then pick a ride in another park, and you can slowly roll into that park. You can basically book all 4 parks. Our recommendation would be is that you start off in one of the cheaper parks. So for example, Animal Kingdom is typically $10 to $15 cheaper per day than Magic Kingdom, and then hop into Magic Kingdom once you've used your Animal Kingdom passes. And that's it. That's the pre-book ride system at Walt Disney World currently. If you are interested in more information about Walt Disney World, we do have an exclusive Walt Disney World guide linked in the bio below. It is completely free for you to download, so please go have a look, have a read, and let us know what you think. And we'll see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.